best of the best, guys. Check out what we just got in. 2019 Luxury Edition, fully loaded, 3.5 liter, all-wheel drive. This thing's got it all, guys. And we've got it, Conover location. It's got the backup camera, backup sensors, power lift gate, touch to lock, touch to start. It even has the technology package, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, lane guidance. Check this out, graphite leather interior, amazing Infiniti. It has the sunroof on top, third row seating in the far back. It's got navigation with touch screen, heated leather seats. It's got the awesome 360 view backup camera. You can see it all, even the parking lot lines. 13 Bose speaker stereo system. 60,000 miles, Carfax certified. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. No problem at the Trading Post. Check out my website to apply, tradingpostcars.com. Click Get Approved Now. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. A super new 2019 Carfax certified luxury edition. All the options here at the Trading Post. It's not going to last. Call us today, 828-464-0600. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices. Infiniti Qx60 all-wheel drive. Get it before it's gone.